Hey everyone, it's Victoria. Today I'm going to do a tutorial on this half up, half down pigtail look. So if you like this look and want to see how to do it yourself, just keep on watching. First off, I'm just going to start by applying some hair oil to my hair, just to make my hair extra shiny. Next, I'm just going to part my hair down the middle and then start to create the half up, half down pigtails. Notice that I'm using an elastic that's thin and as close to my hair color as I could find. This is just to make sure that the elastic blends in to the hair. Now I'm going to take a brand new toothbrush and spray it with hairspray. Next, I'm just brushing my hair with the toothbrush. The reason why I use the toothbrush is because it helps tame those annoying baby hairs. You can also spray your hair first and then go over it with the toothbrush, whichever method you prefer. I like to do a combination of both. I feel like it really helps tame the baby hairs. The final step is just to apply some more hair oil, and again, this is just to make your hair look super shiny. And this is the final look. Thanks so much for watching.